Okay, I show you guys how to use the Leapfrog interface. So, if you open the file, usually it's empty. Then, this is the project tree. So, we have the topography, which I made it from all the borehole elevation. Then, you can drag the item you want here, and then over here you can adjust the color, and then you can adjust the transparency, and then and you can also adjust the visibility, and then when you're done with it you can just delete it away. So my photos are here in the GIS data. So and the boreholes, there's two, one is collar and one is leaf. So the collar is just the location of the boreholes, and I can and these are the maps. So this is my bigger map, and a very important command is D, and is D. So like down you can look down, then left yeah. So D, if you press D, then it will just become plan view. So this is the big map, then this is the bigger map, then this is the project site. So I just drag everything here that I want to see it. Then regarding the color, right, you can type A to review the names of the borehole, and then you can off it here, and then you can change the size. So 10 is like 10 meters, then 1 is 1 meter. But 1 is too small, then you cannot see. Yeah. And then the next thing, so I off the map. I just put the project map. Then the next thing to do is the lithology. So for this lithology, currently is set to 16-meter radius, but let me just change it to 5. And you press the left mouse button to rotate. So for this lithology, right, if you go to edit colors, you can see all the layers here. So this is the legend. So this is whatever is in the AJS. So if the AJS put dash, it will appear as a dash, OA and whatnot lah. So this is the project site and this is the things. But important thing to note is that actual borehole depth is only 15 cm in diameter. So that's like 0.075. So if you see the actual borehole, that is actually very skinny. Yeah, so you can just change from here how you want. And you can review certain layers. So when I want to review the F1, F2, I just only review. So go to output volume and drag all the volumes here. So this is the geological model I can create. For each layer, you can adjust the transparency. So let me just take this and just select all, then I can make it transparent to see the layers. And this is the boundary that I use because I just think it looks nice. Okay, I just clear all. So for these layers and the map, right? Yeah, currently the map is embedded inside. So you right click, set elevation and set it to 130. Yeah, so now it comes out. Then click down, and then you can use a slice. So click on this and then slice. Yeah, so for this slice, right, you can change the width. So over here you can change like how you want it. So this one is like middle slice, then each side is 30 meters, then this is like to the back, and then this is like to, yeah. But what I did was like I just changed the width to 1, and then I click left, so you can do left and right also, and then I just screenshot this part. So yeah, left, and then I screenshot this part. Previously I tried to do this, but then I realized that the top part like this is not very nice, so I just left it be. Yeah, so that's how I use it. Then the slicer, if you want to move down to see the geology, right, which is what I usually do, you can click left, right, then you can click like the comma and the full stop to move your slice. Then over here there's a slice step. So if you want like big slice step 50, right, then it will be like a lot. Then if you want like let's say I put 100, right, you can see like the comma and full stop is quite a lot. Yeah, so that's that. And so this one we need to pay to use it, right? So what we usually do is the save scenes and movies. Go to, yeah, so I'll just drag whatever I need. So my work standard is like I'll drag the collars, so that my boss knows which borehole to look into. And then I'll check the geological model, which just the output volume is sufficient. And then I'll drag the project site map, just this, and the lithology here. So with this information, then I'll click save scene and save current scene, scene 1. Yeah, and then I can export this current scene. Yeah, so after I export this, right, I can use a free Leapfrog viewer to view this, so my boss will be able to use the slice to view everything that he or she needs to view.